If your GoDaddy website is showing an SSL error, don't worry, because in this video, I'm going to walk you through the exact steps to fix it quickly and safely. This is a really common issue, and in many cases, it only takes a few minutes to resolve once you know where to look. We'll go step by step inside your GoDaddy account, check the hosting settings, run the SSL installation, and then verify your DNS if the problem is still there. If this tutorial helps you out, please hit the like button and subscribe for more simple tech fixes just like this. All right, let's jump in. First, sign into your GoDaddy account. Make sure you're using the account that owns the domain and the hosting service, because if you log into the wrong account, you won't see the correct products or settings. Once you're inside, go to My Products. This is where all of your domains, hosting plans, and related services are listed in one place. Next, find your web hosting plan and click Web Hosting, then select Manage. This will take you into the hosting control area for that specific site. From there, open cPanel. cPanel is where a lot of the website security and SSL tools are managed, so this is the key place where we're going to fix the issue. Inside cPanel, look for the Security section and click SSL/TLS Status. This page shows the SSL status for your domain and any related subdomains. Now, select your domain from the list. If you have multiple domains or entries, make sure you choose the correct one that's giving you the error. Once your domain is selected, click Run AutoSSL. This tells GoDaddy's system to automatically attempt to install or renew the SSL certificate for your site. In many cases, this is enough to clear the error and get your secure padlock working again. After clicking it, wait patiently while the process completes. Depending on your server and domain setup, this can take a little time, so don't refresh too quickly. If the SSL installation completes successfully, test your website in the browser by opening it with HTTPS in the address bar. If the SSL is working, your site should load securely without the warning message. If the error is still showing, don't panic, because the next step is usually a DNS issue rather than an SSL issue itself. Now, go back to your GoDaddy dashboard and open Domains, then DNS. This is where you'll check the domain records. Look for the A record and make sure it points to the correct hosting IP address. If the A record is pointing somewhere else, your domain may be landing on the wrong server, and that can cause SSL errors even if the certificate is installed correctly. Also check that your domain is not pointing to the wrong server anywhere else in your DNS settings. If you recently changed hosting providers, migrated your site, or updated name servers, DNS can take time to fully settle. In that case, your SSL may not work until the domain is properly aligned with the hosting account that has the certificate installed. After making any DNS changes, save them and give the record some time to update. DNS propagation can sometimes take a little while, so if the SSL error does not disappear immediately, check again later. Once everything is pointing to the correct hosting IP and AutoSSL has been run, the issue usually clears up. So to quickly recap, the process is sign into GoDaddy, go to My Products, open Web Hosting and Manage, launch cPanel, check security and SSL/TLS status, select your domain, run AutoSSL, and if needed, verify your DNS A record points to the correct server. That's the full fix for most GoDaddy SSL errors. If this video saved you time, please like the video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you don't miss the next helpful tutorial. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.